Welcome back to the Bluffton News. Kriss joins us in the studio. He is the External Affairs Manager for the Ridgeland Fire Department. So Henry, you are here today to tell our viewers about something that's very specific and very important. Tell us, what is the Jacob Kit Project?
The Jacob Kit Project is a school safety initiative that focuses on improving the safety of the students in our schools by providing training and life-saving equipment to the faculty and staff in the event that there's a serious injury or, God forbid, a school shooting or some type of event where students are experiencing maybe massive hemorrhaging or massive bleeding.
So how did this project start exactly?
The genesis of the Jacob Kit Project really began in the mind of Captain Daniel Byrne from the Burton Township Fire District. Daniel's wife is a veteran school teacher, and they had been having conversations about ways that she could be better prepared to take care of her students in the event of something like that happening. The project really took off in 2016 in the wake of the tragedy in Townsville, South Carolina. There was a school shooting there in Townsville where a 6-year-old student named Jacob Hall was wounded in the shooting. Jacob survived his injuries initially, but subsequently succumbed to his injuries due to massive blood loss. So Captain Byrne's wife asked him what could she do to be prepared. And in his training and experience as a tactical medic and in the fire service, he discovered that really what needs to happen is a little bit of training on bleeding control, and then providing the Jacob Kit equipment consisting of a tourniquet, a chest seal, and some tools to really make a difference, to be able to deploy those inside the classrooms so that the teachers could be effective in saving lives before the arrival of emergency personnel.
So in implementing this program, what exactly is involved?
The process is pretty simple. Once a school expressed interest in the program, the local fire department partners with them to procure the kits. They're procured either through grant funding or through donations. For example, in our state recently, there's been an initiative through the South Carolina Department of Health and Environmental Control to provide kits and training to public schools throughout the state. Once the school's interested and once we've got the groundwork laid, the kits are procured and the training is done. It takes about an hour and a half to train the teachers, per setting, depending on how many teachers there is. So then once they receive that training and the kits are deployed to each classroom, they're in business and ready to respond.
So as of right now, what schools are involved in this project?
So schools throughout Beaufort County and Jasper County are involved. In the Ridgeland Fire District, we have Thomas Hayward Academy, the Jasper County School System, Step of Faith Christian Academy, and Legacy Christian Academy. And many schools, as I said, throughout Jasper and Beaufort counties are involved, as well as the program is really gaining traction, not just in our state, but even across the nation.
Henry, very important information. Thank you so much for being here today.
Glad to be here. Thank you.
After the break, I sit down with Aunt Laurie to talk ladies, lunch, and the Low Country. Stay right there.